to enjoy the good movie, besides having the latest TV in HD resolution, what else you need today?
You need the best soundbar, the H-Movie 41 inches 2.2 channel soundbar for Bluetooth and wire connection too. It has built-in subwoofers, deep bass as well. It also has LED display.
Yes, right over here. So let me show you what we get first. So we can see we have the remote control, 2 AA's, no battery included. The mounting piece is pretty simple. This mounts like a picture frame. Power supply 100 volt, 240. You can use anyone around the world. Analog connection 1A RCA to UTV. Now this one, digital input. That's for your 5.1. Mounting screws, anchors, and also you can use it as link. This is a fiber optic connection for a 5.1 digital connection. And like always, pretty simple and easy to follow instructions. Manual, how to connect right in UTV. They give you the 3 different connections. Now, if you pay attention to the bar, let me show you right in the back. So we had the mounting, like I said before, it's pretty simple. Imagine it's like a picture frame. Put this right on the wall, and then just go like this, boom, and then done. Now, let's look at the power connection. Power on, input power, you optical input, you fiber optic, you coaxial optical input, and also your aux connection for analog sound. Now, in the front, look right in the front, we have the USB connection. And if you want to start the bar without remote control, just press the metal for a few seconds, it will come on. And now you can control the volume up and down, forward, and next track. Now, you can put a lot of MP3s here. Plug it in here and enjoy a lot of MP3 sound. This is a good way. So let's plug it in. So when you plug it in, right on this side, right over here, it's hard to see because the studio lights, you have the digital readout. They show you the volume and what mode you're running. Now, pretty simple on the remote control. USB, Bluetooth for your phone. Volume up, volume down. Right, next track, forward track, pause. Travel. And for HQ, we have a movie, music, 3D, and news. Press over here and use switch the mode. Bass. And this is to cycle between inputs. If you want to go into the analog, or if you want to use coaxial, or if you want to use a fiber optic connection. Now, let's play the USB. I'm going to press USB. It should start in a second. I'm going to bring the volume down. Great sound, and it's simple to install. No more cables and wire through the speaker and everything, because you will get a 5.1 out of the bar, and it has a lot of volume. A lot of volume. Now I can control the bass. See, I'm removing the bass now. I can give more bass. I get the trebles out. See, that's perfect. Now I want to pair with my Bluetooth. Okay, press Bluetooth. Grab my phone. It's already synchronized, and let's go and play something right over here. Now plays that on my phone too. So besides UTV, you can use it to play from your phone or any device. You will plug it right over here. So very simple to install, easy, and you will get a nice 5.1. It will definitely, what do you think will look this in our TV?
I think it will look perfect.
Yes. So let's go take a picture, and then we'll just post it right over here on
to see how good it looks.
Yes, and you will keep
and how good it sounds.
Yes, it will give you a perfect sound and
atmosphere.
Yes, for your old movies. All right, so Melina, thank you very much. All right, see you next time. Bye.